Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use multiple Instagram accounts, because Instagram lets you have up to 5 accounts, so you don't have to log out of an account and log into another account. So with that said, let me jump to my Instagram. Here on my Instagram I can go to my profile page, press my username, and here we can see all the other accounts we are logged in. And I can jump between these accounts quickly, like this one or this one, and this can be really useful if you have multiple clients or you have multiple brand accounts and a personal account. And there's a limit, you can add up to 5 accounts to your Instagram, and once you reach your limit, Instagram gonna give you a warning that you can't add more accounts. And now I will show you how to add the second account if you only have one on your phone. You need to press your username, hit add account, and if you don't have an existing account you can create a new one, or if you have an existing account you create on another device, you can log in here to that account. But if you don't have already an account you can log into, you need to press create new account. Here you need to give an username and the password. Hit next, and here as you can see you have two options. You can choose complete sign up. This basically means you're gonna sign up with the email address or phone number your other account is signed up with, and the add new phone number or email address means you're gonna give a new phone number or email address to your account. And once you completed your sign up, your account's gonna be there when you press your username, and you can jump between your accounts as you can see. And with this option Instagram gives you, you can add up to 5 accounts, as I said earlier. And with that said, thank you guys for watching and see you next time.